13 ways that mountain area living is different than city or suburban living is a compilation of what I've learned over the years as a mountain area homeowner and investor. I've organized the information into several different videos, so I want you to click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any part of it. Hi, I'm Sherry Cole & Company Real Estate in Blue Ridge, Georgia. I use modern methods to help buyers and sellers keep moving. In this series, I promise to explain how mountain living differs from city or suburban living, how these differences affect your costs as a homeowner, teach you how to avoid wasting time and expense searching for the wrong house, improve your confidence in your home buying decisions, and getting you enjoying that new life as soon as possible. Hi, and welcome back to my series about the 13 things that make log home or mountain homes different than homes in the city or suburbia. Today we're talking about log homes or homes with tin or metal roofs. As you probably have guessed, there are a lot of log homes in the mountain area, and people flock here for the experience of either staying in, living in, or owning a log home. And it doesn't have to be a scary venture to think about buying one of these homes. In my experience, the maintenance of the home is very similar to any regular clapboard home in that they regularly need to be cleaned and they regularly need to be stained. The difference is you want to make sure to use stain that's specifically designed for log homes and not use any caustic materials on the logs. As you look around at different log homes, you may notice that the logs come in different shapes and sizes, and that won't affect the performance of the home as much as the type of wood that it's made from. In my experience, the most bug-resistant material is a cedar log, but they're far and few between, and they're more expensive than a pine or a Douglas fir or another type of wood. For a lot of great information about log homes and how to take care of them, the different kinds of wood that are used to build them, visit loghomeliving.com. Another common element you'll see up in the mountain area is metal roofing. And the great news about this is that the average lifespan for a metal roof is 40 to 70 years, as opposed to 12 to 24 years for a shingle roof. But they aren't maintenance free like some people think. They still need regular cleaning and checking. The screws that hold the roof sheets together should be checked periodically to make sure they're tight and water can't get in. So when you're looking at a home with a metal roof, check in the attic to see signs of water coming through. If that's happening, then that would indicate that the joints between the roof panels are loose and the screws need to be maintained. When cleaning a metal roof, never use bleach. Use the same kind of chemicals you would use on your car to clean it, and don't overuse the pressure washer. Other than that, it's a fairly simple process, and it's a great asset to have. So don't be afraid of it. Next up in this series of videos about 13 characteristics of mountain homes that are different than urban or suburban homes is garages and what you need to ask about your road.